Replacing or installing new windows in your Coppell home is a smart investment, whether you're upgrading for energy efficiency, improving curb appeal, or addressing damaged frames. But if you've never gone through the process before, it's natural to wonder what the installation will involve. Understanding what to expect can help you prepare your home and your schedule, reduce stress, and ensure a smooth experience from start to finish. Here's a step-by-step look at what to expect during a professional window installation in Coppell. Initial consultation and inspection. The process typically begins with a free consultation from a local window installation company. A technician will visit your Coppell home to assess the condition of your current windows, take precise measurements, discuss your needs, preferences, and budget, recommend window types, materials, and styles. This is also the time to ask questions about energy-efficient options, noise reduction, glass types, or available tax incentives for energy upgrades in Texas. Customized window ordering. After finalizing your selections, the company will place an order for your new windows, especially if you've chosen custom sizes or finishes. Depending on the manufacturer, this step can take a few weeks, so it's wise to schedule your project well in advance, especially before the busy spring or summer season. Pre-installation preparation. Before the installation team arrives, you'll be asked to remove window treatments like curtains, blinds, or shutters, clear furniture away from windows, deactivate security sensors if applicable, make arrangements for pets or small children. Your installers will cover the surrounding areas with drop cloths to protect your flooring and furniture from dust and debris. Professional removal of old windows. On installation day, the crew will carefully remove your old windows, taking precautions to avoid damaging surrounding walls, trim, or siding. If any hidden structural issues are uncovered, like mold, rot, or warped frames, they'll alert you right away and discuss the best solutions. Most reputable window installers in Coppell will also dispose of the old windows for you as part of their service. Precise installation of new windows. Once the old units are removed, your new windows will be fitted and sealed. A high-quality installation includes ensuring the windows are level and square, applying foam insulation around the frame for a tight seal, installing flashing or weatherproofing material, sealing with caulk to prevent air and water leak. Professional crews are typically efficient. Most installations take 30 minutes to an hour per window, and full home projects are often completed in a single day. Cleanup and final inspection. After installation is complete, the crew will clean up thoroughly, removing any tools, materials, or debris. They'll inspect the finished work with you to test the functionality of each window, ensure locks and mechanisms operate correctly, check seals and insulation, and answer any final questions you may have. You'll also receive care instructions and warranty details for your new windows. Post-installation benefits. Once your new windows are in, you'll start to notice immediate benefits. More consistent indoor temperature, lower energy bills thanks to better insulation, and quieter indoor environment due to noise reduction, enhanced curb appeal and home value. Many Coppell homeowners also qualify for energy rebates or tax credits, so be sure to ask your installer about available programs. Final thought: investing in window installation in Coppell not only improves the aesthetics of your home but also enhances energy efficiency, indoor comfort, and overall value. By working with a trusted local contractor and understanding each step of the process, you can enjoy peace of mind and beautiful, functional windows that last for decades. Whether you're replacing aging windows or building a new addition, choosing a reputable window installation company ensures the job is done right the first time. Get started with a consultation today and see the difference new windows can make for your Coppell home.